brace we're putting up along the edge to hold it tight.
Alright, so the roosting bar is just a twig, branch. Alright, yeah. And just the top and... Oh yeah, window. Slight slant. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a slight slant. We're going to hinge it. We're going to hinge it on this side, or that's this side, obviously. Hinge it so we can get into it. And a slight little overhang so the rain won't get in. Anyway, so all we need to do is screen up the hose, hinge it up, paint it, screen the bottom, and it's done. Yeah, I think it looks good.
Well, I gotta put some little things on the ramp, so.
Oh yeah, those little cleats on the ramp, but no big deal. So that's the little young chicken brooder teenage chicken house. For 30. What do you say, about 50 bucks? What do you say, about $50? 50, maybe 60?
I think more close to 70.
70. You can see that it's pretty dirty because the other chickens like to hop on top of it, and we have it under this tree. But we put the top on, put this plexiglass on the top with the hinges, painted it this pretty shade of blue. I found a bunch of paint in the shed and just mixed it together. She always barks. And Coco. And we put the grate along the bottom, all the way along. We put it all around the bottom, and I think it looks really good. So the next thing we're going to do is bring the chickens out. All right, so that's the chicken coop, and if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And the next video, I'll probably be putting them out into the coop. So yeah, we'll see you on the next video.